This giant cargo ship started as steel plates. Here's how engineers built one of the world's largest machines. Every year, thousands of giant cargo ships transport over 90% of the world's trade across the oceans. But have you ever wondered how these engineering giants are actually built? The journey begins with massive marine-grade steel plates arriving at one of the world's largest shipyards. Every plate is carefully inspected before robotic cutting machines shape each section with incredible precision. Next, powerful hydraulic machines bend the steel into curved hull sections that will eventually form the body of the ship. Skilled welders and robotic systems then join thousands of steel components together, creating enormous hull blocks that weigh hundreds of tons. Giant gantry cranes carefully lift these blocks into place inside the dry dock, where the ship slowly begins to take shape. Once the main structure is complete, engineers install the powerful marine diesel engines, massive propeller shafts, fuel systems, electrical wiring, navigation equipment, radar, communication systems, and hundreds of safety components. Every installation must meet strict international engineering standards because even the smallest mistake during this stage could lead to catastrophic failure at sea. Finally, the entire vessel receives multiple protective coatings before being launched into the water. The ship then undergoes extensive sea trials, where engineers test its engines, steering, navigation, stability, and safety systems under real operating conditions. Only after successfully passing every inspection is the giant cargo ship officially approved to transport thousands of containers across the world's oceans. From raw steel to one of the largest moving machines ever built, every cargo ship is a remarkable masterpiece of modern engineering. Subscribe to Factory X1 for more incredible factory documentaries.